In previous video, we learned what is parametric equation. Now, in this video, we will learn how to convert between parametric equation and rectangular equation. Like how to convert parametric equation to rectangular equation, or how to convert rectangular equation to parametric equation. Now, in example 1, we have given that convert the parametric equation into rectangular equation. That means here we have three variables x, t and y. We need to convert to rectangular equation, that means into two variable, only x and y, because in rectangular variable we have only x and y. So we need to eliminate t. So how you can eliminate t? In second equation you can write t equals to 2y. So if you write t equals to 2y and plug this t equals to 2y in first equation, then you will get x equals to 2y whole square minus 4. That means 4y square minus 4. And this is rectangular equation because it has only two variables x and y, and this is a parabola. Its shape is like this, like when y is 0, then x is negative 4. When y is 0, x is negative 4. And when x is 0, then you will get corresponding y value here and here, and you can draw the shape of a parabola. Now, it's better to know the shape. Like for circle, it is x square plus y square equals to a square, where a is the radius and its center is 0, 0. And if its center is another point like AB, then it would be x minus a whole square, y minus b whole square equals to r square, where r would be the radius. And this is the shape of a circle. And for the equation of ellipse, it is x square over a square plus y square over b square equals to 1. And this is the shape of an ellipse. And how about the hyperbola? So if you replace this plus by minus, then it would be equation of a hyperbola. Okay. And its shape is like this. This is a hyperbola. And how about the parabola? So for parabola, it is y square equals to 4ax or x square equals to 4ay. Okay, it can be any one. So when y square equals to 4ax, then its shape is like this. So it's better to know this shape. Like when circle, it's x square plus y square equals to a square. For ellipse, x square over a square plus y square over b square equals to 1. And hyperbola, we replace this plus by minus. And for parabola, this one. Now for this example, we have x equals to 2 cosine theta and y equals to 2 sine theta, and this theta is the parameter and it varies from 0 to 2 pi. So the question asks, sketch the curve represented by these two equations by eliminating the parameter. That means we need to eliminate the parameter theta and finding the corresponding rectangular equation. We need to find an equation which has only x and y. Okay. Now, if you want to convert parametric equation to rectangular equation and it has cosine theta and sine theta, then always think the formula that cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta is 1. Okay, we will use this formula. Cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta is 1. So to get the formula, what we did, we write x equals to 2 cosine theta and we square it because we need cosine square. So we square both sides and we divide by this 2 square. So we free cosine squared theta. Similarly for y, we square it and we got sine squared theta. Now if we add 1 and 2, so this plus that equals to cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta. So this is equals to 1 and you will get x square plus y square equals to 2 square. So this is the corresponding rectangular equation. and this is a equation of a circle with center 0 0 and radius 2. Radius is 2. So this is the circle with center 0 0 and radius 2, and its direction is this way, because if theta is here, theta is 0, and here theta is 90 degree, here theta is 180 degree, here theta is 270 degree. Okay. Now next example, we have x equals to 3 cosine theta and y equals to 4 sine theta. Did you see here you have 3, here you have 4, but in previous example you have same number 2 and 2. If this number is same, then you will get equation of a circle, but if this two number varies, then you will get equation of a ellipse. Equation of an ellipse. So here theta is the parameter and it varies from 0 to 2 pi. So similarly we got cosine square theta is this one and sine square theta is that one. So if we add them together, then we got x square over 3 square plus y square over 4 square equals to 1. So this is equation of a ellipse. Equation of a ellipse. Now when y is 0, then x square is 3 square. That means x is plus minus 3. So when y is 0, x is plus minus 3. So we got this point minus 3 0 and plus 3 0. And when x is 0, that means on the x-axis, y is plus 4 and minus 4. So when x is 0, we got 0 minus 4 and 0 plus 4. So this would be the equation of the ellipse. This is the graph of the ellipse. Now we'll convert rectangular equation to parametric equation. That means we'll convert an equation which has x and y, and we'll introduce a new variable t, which is the parameter. So in example 1, we have y equals to 1 minus x square, and we need to convert it to parametric equation using the parameter x equals to t. This would be given, but if it doesn't given, then you can assume x equals to t or y equals to t. It doesn't matter. So here y equal to 1 minus x square, and we assume t equals to x. So if we plug x equals to t here, then we will get y equals to 1 minus t square, and this is the parametric equation. But when you write parametric equation, then you need to write in terms of three variables, x, y and t. So x equals to t and y is 1 minus t square. So this was equation of a parabola. So when x is 0, y is 1. So this is the vertex, and its shape would be like this. Now in next example, we need to find a set of parametric equations that represent the following hyperbola. This is the equation of hyperbola. So we need to use the parameter t equals to x. Here they said a set of parametric equation. That means we will have more than one equation. Okay, we have more than one equation. So if we plug x equals to t here, then we will get 4t square equals to this one. And in terms of y, if we write this in terms of y, then we will get y equals to plus minus square root of 4t square minus 36 over 3. So x equals to t and y equals to this one is the parametric equation. So for x equals to t, we got two y equation. One is for plus and one is for minus. Now if you draw this one, so if you draw this one, you will get this hyperbola. Thanks for watching.